At 7:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for central Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Port Carling, Gravenhurst, Fenelon Falls, Balsam Lake Park, Apsley, and Woodview. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.